In the world of AHU controls, there's often a disconnect between the engineer on-site troubleshooting the issues on the unit and the site coordinator managing the team from the office. And no matter which side you're on, the stress builds fast. Errors, delays, unclear diagnostics, aborted visits, lack of spare parts in the van needed to fix the problem. It all starts to pile up. One issue becomes another until you're buried in complexity with no clear way through. That's where Controls Under Control comes in, a framework designed by iACS's to fill every gap in the process to successfully guide you through a clear, simple and fail-proof methodology. A proven method that guarantees a first-time success rate. Training Academy, Rubix, iACS's, Nexus, Terra. As you step into the iACS ecosystem, the pressure fades. Suddenly, things fit into place, processes align, and the chaos, gone. The issues, under control. Whether you're on-site or behind the screen, you'll feel the difference. Less time wasted, more value delivered, and more importantly, one happy customer.